Team synergy now.
And then lastly, the last section of the persuasion equation is what is known as voice variations. Now this is a secret because I'm using voice variations right now to allow you to see the difference. Kind of shifted my energy. I'm using the power of pause, also speaking a little softer. So with voice variations, you have the ability to really make an impact. You can move a little closer to the person and speak louder. You can also speak a little softer and use voice variations to really impact people through the way that you speak. All this comes down to what is known as the context of your communication, which is much more powerful than the content. Those that study and teach communication must be teaching this whole concept of content versus context because it's that powerful. And we'll show you how to put context forefront of the communication that you're doing to build your vision, to create your movement, and build your tribe so that we can really truly have that impact on a global scale. And I want you to know that's possible.